Hello guys, my name is Jianqiao Shao and I'm glad to introduce you my final project for the Big Data and Accounting Analytics class. So basically, my the project I do is web app application that can make an instant to-do list, which can save the things that you need to do to local memory, so it won't lost when you refresh the page. And the purpose that I want to do this web application is because I feel that procrastination is an important enemy in our academic life, and hopefully this web application will help students from New York University better schedule their time of the day and be able to finish each task on the to-do list. So let's start to show you the web app. So this application can be opened up in both on the browser of a computer and on a browser on your phone. For example, Safari if you have an iPhone. Actually, since all the width and height is programmed with percentage, so it's actually show better on the phone, which later we'll show you this case. So the web application, so basically here you can click to enter an activity. Let's say activity A. You click the add, and you have a to-do list. Then you have at B, C, and when you finished, you can click the check. So it will add to the lower area, which shows that you already finished this task. Um, and this is delete. Whether you hit the delete button, you can delete this task or activity. So let's see if I want to let's see if I actually completed task C and I find out that no, my task C is not perfect. I need to redo it. So you can unclick it, so it will be back at the top of the to-do list. So also through this way, you can redo the priority of your to-do list. For example, the to-do list now, the first item is D, A, C, B, and you want to put task C as the prior task that you want to do for your to-do list. So you can click the check and then unclick it, which will make it to the top of the list. And so let's show how this actually work on a phone. So Google Chrome have this function that you can show this on the phone. So this is a phone size, and it actually looks much better than on the browser because I mean it's just it's aesthetically better. So it also works better on the phone. So like I mentioned before, one of the reasons I programmed this is because I hope that a lot of time procrastination happens when we're playing with our phone. So maybe when you open the browser of your phone and if you set this as your main home page, it would help a little bit. Let's show more about some other functions that I have on this. So basically, there are little details that I would like to show, which you here, for example, if you put your mouse on the check, it turns into light purple. So it basically this is a RGBA, and when you set the A to 50%, this is what it looks. I personally like this look when it sets to 50% better, and so also for the delete button, when you put your mouse on it, it has a little red thing, and when you clicked on it, it turns into like purple. Where you set the RGBA, where you set the A to 100%. Also for um, so um, so there are, for example, the border of the box at the bottom where you actually have a little shows better on the phone view. Yep. So it has this little how should I say like half circle. Um, so basically, this is what it do, and it certainly have ways to improve. And here I'd like to thank Sam for from GitHub for providing the font CSS for this, and also um, the check figure and the plus figure for this. So thank you. That's all.